So, a woman currently drinks 5 cups of coffee per day. Her doctor tells her to reduce her coffee consumption by 75%. If she's compliant, how many ounces can she drink each day? So, the question we're trying to find is how many ounces? And so, we'll put that here. And so, we're given that she currently drinks 5 cups of coffee. And to reduce it by 75%. So he wants her to take away 75 less for every 100 current cups of coffee that she drinks. And the answer needs to be in ounces, but we're not given anything in ounces. We're given 5 cups of coffee. So if we start with that, 5 cups, and we want to know, for starters, how many ounces she's drinking now, because if we have to get our answer into ounces at some point, we're going to have to get it into ounces. So this is actually a conversion word problem. And so the other week's information and videos, it tells you what conversions you need to know. And this is one of them, which is that 1 cup equals 8 ounces. And so if there's a conversion like that you need, that's not directly given to you in the problem, still stick it in here with your given so that you see what you can reference. So if 1 cup equals 8 ounces, then we have to put cups in the denominator so that we can cancel cups and end up with ounces. And then, so this is how many current cups, and the amount that he wants her to reduce her consumption is that for every 100 cups, he wants her to subtract, so we can 75 cups for every 100 cups that she currently drinks, is one way to look at that. You don't really need to put the subtraction or the minus sign here. You just need to know that in the next step, this is the number that you're going to be taking away from her current consumption. And in this case, the cups are both in the same step, and so you cancel them there. And so this will tell us how many ounces she needs to take away. So it's going to be 5 times 8 times negative 75 divided by 100. And so that means she has to take away 30 cups a day. And we could have first found how many cups she currently drinks a day, which is actually all of this except for this last step. She currently drinks 5 cups, and there's 8 ounces to every cup. So 5 times 8 is 40. So 40 cups, no, not cups, ounces. 40 ounces minus 30 ounces. And that, of course, is going to give us 10 ounces of coffee, which she's probably not going to be very happy about having to cut back from 40 ounces of coffee a day to 10. So I'm going to show you just a slightly different way to do this, and this is good if you're kind of stuck on what I've been telling you to do is to find the number that doesn't say equal to anything. There's a different approach that also works, and that is you can start with whatever your find is. If you start with that in the top of the first block, you'll still get where you need to go. So in this case, if we said, well, we need ounces, so I'm going to start with ounces. It's just another approach that'll get you to the same place. So if you say 8 ounces and you always, always, always put in the denominator whatever it said it was equal to. So 8 ounces is 1 cup. Then you go the opposite way. Now you've got cups in the bottom, so you have to put cups in the top to have cups cancel. So then you say 5 cups. And so in that case, you would then be able to cancel cups and cups. And this would be just for the step of finding the total number of ounces. So 8 times 5 is 40 ounces. It gets you to the same place. It gets you multiplying and dividing the same numbers. It's just a different approach. So if this resonates better with you rather than the start with a single unit that's not equal to anything, or if you're having trouble identifying which is the single unit that's not equal to anything, then this other approach might work better for you. So you can go back and try this on any of the other problems and see if you like that way better. Whichever one, any approach that makes sense to you is the one that you should follow.